In the past 5 videos, we have talked about learning to read candlesticks, learning to read market direction, learning to read market structure, otherwise known as support and resistance. In video number 4, we learned to trade patterns and to spot patterns. In this video, we are continuing our how-to series, and we're talking about finding a mentor. Welcome everybody to the channel. If you don't know me, if it's your first time here, my name is Mal. I'll throw up a picture so you can see what I look like. I'm a trader. I trade stocks. I do some investing on the side as well. And I started this channel to help beginners get started. One of the problems I had when I was learning to start trading was I didn't know where to start because I didn't know where to start, right? You don't know what you don't know. So I wanted to make a channel that would focus on helping beginners get started trading stocks. So the whole video series, the whole point of the channel here is to create a community of like-minded traders. And if you're completely brand new and you have an interest in trading, the goal of this channel is to help you get started. This video will be a little bit more of a podcast style, and I apologize in advance if my voice is a little hoarse. There's been a cold going around and I'm starting to feel it coming on. Hopefully I don't get sick. So on the screen in front of you, you see numbers 1 through 7. Those numbers represent videos that I have done in this video series titled How To. Each one of those is a video focusing on that topic specifically for the video. So one of the things I'm going to do is I'm going to do this more podcast style, and I'm also working on a gift for you guys, a free gift. It's going to be a cheat sheet. I'm putting together something for you to have and to keep so you can reference what to look for, and you can follow it step by step with pictures. That way you can post it wherever you're trading or wherever you're learning or paper trading or whatever you are doing. You can reference the sheet and to know exactly what you're looking for. But it's going to be available for everybody for free, okay? I'm not going to charge for anything like that. It's just a cheat sheet that I wish I had when I had started. A lot of people that I've watched over the years on YouTube and I've tried to learn from talk about having a trade plan. But how do you create a trade plan if you don't know what works, right? And even if you know which patterns work, you have to know how to trade them. Then you have to test them to see if they work. So everyone always says, well, are you sticking to your trade plan? Are you sticking to your plan? Well, if I'm not sure what's working and I'm still trying to learn to figure out what's working, how do I make a plan? What if I make a plan and it's a losing plan? Do I stick to that? So that's been my challenge over the years. This is exactly why I am working on a beginner-friendly guide for you so you can print it, you can post it wherever your office is. And it's something I want to give out to the community just for being here, spending time watching my videos. I want to create a very positive community of like-minded traders that typically look for the same patterns and have a very similar style of trading. In this video, we're talking about finding a mentor. And a mentor is somebody that you look up to, right? Somebody that you like their trading style, you enjoy what they do, how they do it, and their style makes sense to you, right? It matches your personality. If you don't know, there are a million ways to trade the stock market. It seems like everyone has a different way they trade, and to them, their way is the best way. So this has been a struggle for me between working full-time and trading on the side and then trying to learn on the weekends. I've spent a lot of nights and a lot of weekends testing patterns and training my eyes to see them and just trying to learn to get better at trading the market. By the way, the patterns that I previously discussed in my earlier videos, they work in stocks, they work in Forex, they work in futures. Anything that you want to trade, those patterns are valid. They are not, do your own testing, obviously. Okay, this is just for entertainment purposes only. And those patterns are not to be taken by themselves. Typically, you need to have a confluence of some kind of a structure. They need to be traded at some kind of a structure, support and resistance area. Nothing should ever be traded by itself. So when you're looking for a mentor, what do you look for? Well, you're looking for somebody that their style makes sense to your personality. When I started, I wasn't sure what kind of trader I was or I wanted to be. So I started just watching YouTube videos and trying to learn. And what I had latched onto was reversal patterns. And a reversal pattern typically works like this. Market comes up, pulls back, comes up again. Then we make a resistance line, we double top. And this is what I was typically learning. Now, this is a double top, as discussed in my previous video. The market made a large move. So you wait for something that is very, very huge. And then what you're trying to do is short it all the way back down to this previous low. Now that, over time, I realized that that was not for me. What I really enjoy doing is trading breakouts. So we have the market come up, right? We retrace. We create a line of resistance right here. And then we expect the market to break out. And this is something I struggle with for a long time because the person I was watching as a reversal trader, they would be looking to short right here. Now, I struggled with this a lot, trying to figure out, do I short this? Do I buy this? And I went back and forth. And this was part of my challenge. So I realized that for my personality, the trend is my friend. I really enjoy trading with the trend. And if you watched any of my videos, I use a 20 and a 50 moving average. So typically when we get a retracement, the moving average kind of hovers around here. And when we get a retracement back down, this gives me extra confirmation that we are in a bullish trend. So I would not be shorting here. I would treat that as a breakout. And this is something you have to determine for yourself. What kind of a trader are you? Do you enjoy breakouts? Do you enjoy reversals? Do you enjoy double tops and double bottoms? Are you a pattern trader? Some people like to trade the market when it goes sideways. And if you look at this, there's an advanced pattern, which I don't want to get into, but this basically creates a bat pattern, I believe. So figure out who it is you want to watch. See if you enjoy their trading style and learn from them. One thing I would recommend is find one pattern that you like. Find the pattern that you like, whatever pattern it is. Find a mentor, learn how they trade. If you have the money and you want to invest in a live room, join a live room. Take a course, whatever it is that is for you, that fits your personality. If you like learning and studying, study it. I love looking at charts. I love watching videos. I actually watch a lot of trading videos on the weekends because I enjoy looking at charts. And I honestly enjoy seeing how different people trade. Everyone has their own style. No style is wrong. It may not be for that person, but that doesn't mean just because it's not for them doesn't mean it's not for you, and vice versa. So find something that works for you and stick to it. All right, in the next video, we're going to be talking about paper trading. Once you learn the pattern, once you find a mentor, you are more than welcome to hang out here, be part of the community, interact in the comment section. Let me know what kind of patterns you trade and what your style preference is. And so with that said, in the next video, we're going to be talking about paper trading. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the thumbs up button, telling the YouTube algorithm that you enjoyed it, that there's quality content in this video. so it can get recommended and help more people. And also, if you don't want to miss the next episodes, hit the sub button, hit the bell icon. YouTube no longer recommends every video just because you're subbed. So if you don't hit that bell icon, you're going to miss videos. So if you're enjoying this and you want to follow along, go ahead and hit the thumbs up, hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.